Our philosophy is the more we can bend, the less we have to solder. Soldering is a manual activity that is very time-consuming. On the other hand, it is also error-prone. We are a manufacturer of refrigeration compound systems, and the demands on us are constantly growing. We currently trade 12,000 different pipe geometries, and this was the biggest challenge of this project. To map all of these practically via one system, the shortage of skilled workers is a huge topic. That was the reason why we have opted for automation. And then transfluid also made the suggestion to use a tube laser, with the advantage that very few chips are produced when the tube is deposited, and we would have significantly less post-cleaning effort. The interesting thing about it was that above all the companies TRUMPF and transfluid are different, but for this project or the realization of this project they have complemented each other. The solution, which TRUMPF and transfluid have created, is that we cut tubes using a tube laser, the True Laser Tube 5000 by TRUMPF, and then transfer fully automatically to transfluid's bending cell via a length ejection system. There is a conveyor section in the bending cell on which we can buffer up to 25 tubes that the laser can produce, for example. The pipes are then grabbed by a robot and loaded into a brushing station. In the bending cell we process tubes from 200 mm to 4,500 mm from diameter 6 mm to diameter 42 mm. The nesting program by TRUMPF allows us to produce different lengths for different geometries, and to produce in one production cycle. Transfluid software also supports us in this by providing us with the various cutting lengths. The advantage of the bent tube is that I can leave the tube in its initial length and just bend a curve into it. That means that the process is significantly faster. I don't have the additional material expenses. And afterwards I don't have the manual activities which can lead to a leakage which has to be removed ultimately at great expense. Leaks are undesirable in refrigeration technology. The main reason for the planned use of the system is the piping of the refrigeration machine sets, which we manufacture and which are intended for commercial refrigeration applications. That means a very wide portfolio in which we need the most various geometries with the most various diameters. The requirement to be able to manufacture these different tubes with their diameters and geometries flexibly was extremely important for us. We have worked a lot with the employees of transfluid in Schmallenberg and TRUMPF in Ditzingen. Really nice, competent people that we got to know. The whole project was handled extremely well, and you could watch how everything has grown. It was a lot of fun.